page to demonstrate what I'm going to be talking about. This is the site for the Future Web Apps road trip site that I built about a year ago when I was at Carsonified. And let me just talk you through the elements on the page, and then I'll show you them how they appear in the CMS. So first of all, we have an H2 at the top. And as I said before, this is basically the title, and here's the span. Now, that's in terms of markup. In terms of the actual CMS, the title is the post title, as it were, in this sense, and the span is actually the category description. Here we have the excerpt, which is perhaps something specific to WordPress in a way, but it's the bit of the post that is meant to be displayed on another page if you can't view the entire post. Anyway, this is the excerpt. Here we actually have the content. This is the bulk of the content, which in WordPress will appear as the main entry window. And now we start getting onto the custom fields. Now, custom fields are used a hell of a lot in this design. Here we have the custom field client. So basically in your markup there's just a thing saying client and list, and then this bit here is the dynamic thing. So here I define the client as Carsonified. Again, we've got a URL custom field, and there are two things going on here. There's not only the URL, the actual link itself, but of course there's the link display text. So there are actually two custom fields operating in this bit here. Now, every single one of these images is a custom field, each called something like image 1, image 2, etc. There's credits, so that's there in a markup, and then this bit here is a custom field. This is static, this is back in the template, and as is this. So you can really see that there's quite a few things going on here. And it's not just the inner page, there are loads of custom fields going on throughout the rest of the portfolio site. But hopefully showing you these will give you an idea of how to use them in your projects. So let's go into WordPress and have a look at the actual entry for the Future Web Apps road trip website page. Now, as we have, as I've said before, here's the actual post title, which again relates to this bit. The category, you can see it's in web design, and the category listing title is the span element that appears here. We have the excerpt, which is the sticky out bit of H3 text. Of course, the actual main body stuff, which is the text here. And as I said before, we get now down to the crux of it, which is the custom fields. So we have the client, and the value for that is Carsonified. And then we have the images, inner image 1, inner image 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Now they all have the same thing, and you'll notice that there's no .jpeg or anything like that. You think, oh, that's maybe a bit strange. But because I've used standard image